Hello everyone, myself Miss Manisha Naik. I have started the industrial chemistry paper number 16. From that paper I have started the unit first, that is sugar industry. In last lecture we have studied the introduction, then manufacture of cane sugar in India. We have studied it in that extraction of juice, clarification of juice, then concentration of juice to syrup. The next point we have studied the crystallization of sugar. In we have studied graining and crystal growth. Also we have studied the centrifugation and refining of sugar. In refining of sugar we have studied affination, defecation, then decolorization, crystallization and centrifugation, drying process. In last lecture, we have studied the byproducts of sugar industry. There are four byproducts, that is cane tops, bagasse, filter muds and molasses. From these main products, we have in detail we have studied about the bagasse and molasses. We have studied the manufacture of ethyl alcohol. Now in detail we are going to study the manufacture of ethyl alcohol from molasses. In last lecture we have discussed 2 points from the manufacture of ethyl alcohol from molasses, that is preparation of wort, that is fermentation medium. It is aqueous solution of molasses left over. Then it promotes the growth of the ester. How is the preparation of wort? In that dilution of molasses is done. That is how it is done, by mixing 1 volume of molasses to 5 volume of water. That is 50 to 60% of fermentable sugar is present in molasses. The second one is addition of ammonium salt. Nitrogenous compound present in molasses is insufficient. So for yeast growth, nitrogen content wort, that is phosphate is added, means that is ammonium salt is added to promote the growth. Then second one is addition of sulfuric acid. For the yeast to retard the bacterial growth, pH is maintained, that is by adding the sulfuric acid, that is 4.0 to 5.0. Then addition of bactericides is done. Why it is done? To block or to stop the unwanted bacterial growth. And we have studied the preparation of charge. What is a charge? It is an in-column yeast culture add water, means it is prepared by sterilized fermentation by budding process. Okay, we have studied the preparation of wort and preparation of charge in manufacture of ethyl alcohol from molasses in last chapter. Now we are going to study the next point, that is the fermentation. What is the fermentation? Okay, fermentation medium is maintained. Okay, fermentation medium is taken in wooden tank called as a fermenter. Remember, fermentation medium is taken in wooden tank which is called as a fermenter. It is set, see, it is set. How it is set? By addition of 5% of volume ash. Fermentation medium is set in fermenter by adding 5% volume of mash. Fermentation is a slow and incomplete decomposition organic matter. Fermentation process takes very slowly and incomplete decomposition and organic matter. Means organism live evolution of gas. Remember, organism live evolution of gas. In that enzyme invertase is present. Okay, in that enzyme invertase, that is yeast hydrolysis takes place, sucrose and glucose. Remember, yeast hydrolysis takes place, sucrose to glucose and fructose. Means it is a mixture of glucose plus fructose. See, the reaction is shown. C12H2211 plus H2O, that is hydrolysis. See the condition on the arrow, that is invertase, and we get mixture of glucose plus fructose, that is C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. It is a process of enzyme invertase. The enzyme, that is a zymase, which is incompletely oxidized. Remember, enzyme that is zymase, which is incompletely oxidized. It doesn't completely oxidize. In that sugar absorbs anaerobically. Anaerobically means in absence of oxygen. What does it absorb? The ethyl alcohol. Remember, ethyl alcohol. Zymase enzymes, we take glucose or fructose, that is C6H12O6. Zymase is incomplete condition is shown there. Means we get ethyl alcohol and gas is evolved, that is CO2, and we get C2H5OH, which is absorbed by sugar and aerobically. In this, CO2 is evolved, that because of CO2 evolved, fourthing occurs. C2H5 is the main product, which is alcoholic fermentation. Remember one thing, as yeast cell also excrete ethyl alcohol. The product which is formed in zymase incomplete oxidation, that is C2H5OH, the same product is excreted by the yeast cells as an waste product, that is ethyl alcohol. Okay. To maintain complete fermentation, that is to improve the fermentation, means that is to progress the fermentation, 30 to 70 hours higher alcohol yield is formed. To progress the fermentation, it is set for 30 to 70 hours and we get higher alcohol yield after 30 to 70 hours progress of fermentation. Okay, see what is fermentation. It is taken in wooden tank called as a fermenter. It is settled by addition of 5% of volume mash. It is incomplete decomposition, organic matter is formed, evolution of gas takes place. The evolution of gas is CO2. Because of evolution of CO2, fourthing occur. When enzyme invertase takes place, yeast hydrolysis is sucrose to glucose plus fructose, that is a mixture of glucose plus fructose. Then sugar absorbs the ethyl alcohol anaerobically, and due to that C2H5 product, which is alcoholic fermentation, and yeast cell also excrete the ethyl alcohol, that is which is the which is the waste product. Then for the fermentation progress 30 to 70 hours it is settled and we get a higher alcohol yield. Second one is the yeast variety. Remember, second one is the yeast variety. That is Saccharomyces, which sustains the acidity. Yeast variety, it is Saccharomyces which sustains the acidity. Means rapidly fermentation of sugar takes place, that is, and we get the maximum % of alcohol yield. Remember, sustain acidity and we get alcohol yield. Second one is temperature. The fermentation process is an exothermic process and because of that temperature increases. For yeast growth, pH 4.8 to 5.0 is maintained. Then sugar concentration is maintained 8 to 10% for suitable. The nitrogen nutrients are present. Why the nitrogen nutrients are present? To enrich the medium, ammonium salt is present. Remember, to enrich the medium, ammonium salt is present. Second one is aeration. For prevent setting and maintain oxygen free atom, CO2 is bubbled. Why aeration is carried out? To maintain oxygen free atom, that is CO2 is bubbled. The next point is that is the separation of alcohol. The last point of this manufacture of ethyl alcohol from molasses. In this aqueous solution, that is 10 to 12% of alcohol, which is known as wash. Remember, aqueous solution, that is 10 to 12% of alcohol, which is known as wash, is collected in the process of separating yeast from water. Remember, by separating yeast from water, aqueous solution of 10 to 12% of alcohol, which is known as wash, is collected. The wash we collect also contains ethyl ester, fuel oil and constituents. Remember, the constituents which are present in wash have a boiling point close, and the fractional distillation is necessary by using fractionating column. Fractional distillation is carried out by using fractionating column, and that column is known as a still. The still which is used in fractionating column have number of shells, and that shells have central hole. Remember, that shells have central hole, which is have a cover battle plate and side tube. from the outlets drawing out aldehyde and vaporized alcohols and spent wash. Remember, from outlet drawing out aldehydes and vapor alcohol and spent wash is drawn out. The wash is again preheated and current pass from bottom of steel. How the wash is preheated? By passing current from bottom of steel. The wash which preheat still moves down of the steel and the steam moves up. Remember, because of pass of the heat preheating, steam moves up and wash moves down in a steel. Volatile aldehyde plus alcohol is vaporized and move in column. Remember, volatile aldehyde and alkaline which is present as wash vaporized move in alcohol in column, and the alcohol is less volatile, so it is removed of outlet, while fuse oil of the compound removed over shell steel. Remember, high boiling fuel, it is removed over in a shell steel, and alcohol which is less volatile is removed out of the side outlet. So remember the last thing, that is liquid which is at the bottom present is known as a spent wash, and it contains 10% of the solid matter. In this way, the manufacture of ethyl alcohol is carried out from molasses. Okay. And the chapter, that is the sugar industries, is over here. And in next lecture, I will revise once and the MCQs will be provided to you. Thank you very much.